have a farm tour. We will show you the goats. Come on, let's go. This is my German Shepherd dog. Very good. His name is Cat. He's just like 1 year old. Wow, here's one goat in here. Wow, there's a goat. Look at this thing. Okay, I think it's here. Feeding time. Wow. We are now in our goat's place and we're going to check them out. Everything brought water, Mama. Maybe it's their water time. Oh gosh, you're so fast! You're not so fast, you're up there! Oh,
Where's the door?
here, you can run here. Oh no. Wow, lots of goat droppings. Now, show them our goat droppings. They poo a lot. That's lots of poo.
Let's check on the D.
Are those guava right?
Yeah.
Let's pick some.
Okay.
Ma, which one here is right? Those or no?
The big one.
These ones are right. Oh, do not get the ones that are bites. Yes, even though it's like a bird bite, do not get them. Maybe those birds are infected. Then that one has a bite. Oh no, this one is dry. Wait.
Who farted? Huh? Who farted?
No, it's this one. Wait, somebody farted again. And this time it's... Linda, that's nasty. Do not show it to your vlog. It's just jokes. We didn't actually fart it. Ma, I can't... Now let's go to our chicken coop. Come on, guys. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. This is our dog Nico, and he's kind of like a tourist here because he knows every way. And he's more faster.
Bye.
And also he knows exactly how to navigate through these woods.
Wow, nothing.
Also, our dog Scott, what I said earlier, actually plays with rocks. That's kind of weird, right? Plays with rocks. They sound like cats.
Oh, look.
Oh, there are stairs. I forgot to mention that. And also,
It's called Hack Hack.
Huh? There's a goat? Look, there's a goat! I think it's our neighbor's goat. No, it has a tag that looks like our...
That's
one of our
ours.
goats. Chickens! Mga dalaga naman ang mga chicken. Mga dalagang mga chicken dito. Mga dalaga. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Young ladies and gentle young man.
Baho.
Now we're done visiting the goats. Chicken! Now it's time for touring up and see our marvelous view. Sorry, I have this kind of fucking nonsense thingy. Did you know, guys, that me and Kayla have two cats? One of them died, and the other died. And
They
one
both-
of them gave birth before they died, though. And I think they are mating. The cat. And I'm getting a new cat, though. Okay? Hi, guys! Hi, guys! Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my guys.
I thought Regine had given birth today. One of them died. I don't know why. Hey, wait for me! Wait for me! Wait for me! Wait! This is our first level of our house. And as you see, this is the outside. This is our gate. I wish those dogs wouldn't get out. They always get out. And also, Regina is one of my dogs who gave birth before actually. There was three, but after that. My lola is a plantita. And this is the place that where I sit. The first time of the vlog, I sit here. And here's my place. We are going down to the messy room. And some of the rooms. Here is Papa. Oh, that's my Papa.
Hello.
These are our phones. See, this is my phone. This is a messy room. Oh, here's a Baba. Hey, yan. Good mom. Hey, look. Hey, here's our bed. I don't have space here. This is our messy room. And of course, it wasn't because of the brown mats and the little baby. It's always because of... Next up is my Lola Daddy's room. Okay? Here is Daddy's room. My Lola Daddy's room.
Oh, that's so fast.
Next, we're going to a place I call a big house. And my slipper isn't here. I'll borrow this. Hey, mag-borrow lang ako. Wala. It's just a toy. It's for inside. Wala ko chinelas. Chinelas? How about you use? No, that's dirty. Wait, that's dirty. It's a dirty. This is mine. We'll go to the room or maybe half room or a house. Yeah, we call the place the big house. The big house. Hi, workers. Hi again.
Kitty pie, kitty pie. Kitty pie.
And here's our toy cars. I want to wear the orange one. I mean, you.
Bulaga! Ba.
Coming through. That's all for today, guys. See you next time. Bye. Yeah, she's one of our favorite pets. I think she's a girl.